Hi, I'm DevRow, and welcome to my second devlog. As you can see, I made a bunch of icons today, which took longer than I wanted to, but I think they will fit perfectly for what I'm gonna use them for. We even used some of them already. Also, there's now a blend file with all my models in there. I don't go through all of them, but you will see them eventually popping up on the project. Some you might will be spotting this episode. And now to the meat without potatoes. I made this little widget which will give informations about what you actually are looking at. It's always the same widget and it gives all the information you will need as a player. This is the shears. I still don't have their model in, but maybe the sheeps are just imported from the Minecraft world and we need a block to work on them. Bob will now grab the hammer and show you that the first animations are already in. They're not perfect yet, but the animation system is working as it is intended. And there's nothing better to carry stone than the mighty T-pose. So that was today's progress. I think I did good, but I wish I would have more time to put in all the new meshes I have made. But I can do this tomorrow. So if you like what you see or not, like, share, subscribe. It's probably not your first day on YouTube, right? You know how it goes. Like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, call your parents, drink some water. I catch you all next time. Bye bye.